wander home with bleeding hands. Let it spring with love and plans. You were my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. Silence is all I know. You were your cup, I fix your time. Watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Every pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are, but wishes don't go that far. So I see here on the stairs, all in time for a break, not for hope, not for fame, just a call out there. Still waiting, still the same.